Chicken licking, going to the wood. She meet Henny, Peeny, and Dee both go to the wood. On the way they met Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky. All got her Indy met Dracky Lacky and Gossy lost. Finally, Turkey Lucky and Cocky Lucky, the only facts of foxes E. Cleaver Indy fucked all of them to home. Chicken licking, going to the wood. She meet Henny, Peeny, and Dee both go to the wood. On the way they met Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky. All got her Indy met Dracky Lacky and Gossy lost. Finally, Turkey Lucky and Cocky Locky, they all meet Foxy Z. Cleaver Indy jerk ever them to home. Foxy Z, Cleaver Indy took all of them to Foxy Z, Cleaver Indy took all of them to home.